Alright, what I'm going to try to show you today is how to take notes using a Kindle, and it makes it taking annotations so much easier. So if you end up with the access to this particular program, it's a good thing for you to have. It makes life a little bit easier, especially if you like to read online. I have to because of my eyes, so it works really well for me. And I have an account, and I usually buy the books that we work on, and we go from there. So what I have open right now is called the Kindle Cloud Reader, and I have Their Eyes Are Watching God in front of us right now. And what I need to do to be able to do annotations on it is, as I read, I highlight stuff, and that's pretty easy. I just use my mouse, and I can highlight something here like this, and then it works out pretty well. I can then hit the idea of note, and then I can take my notes in there. I'm not going to do one right here in the interest of time. I'm going to cancel it out. I'm going to show you one that I did for the first couple of paragraphs of the text. As I indicated before, books generally teach you how they want to be read in the first paragraph, but certainly within the first chapter if you're an active participating reader. So it looks like this. This is the editing bar. Context, question, analysis, observation. I wrote it all up, and then I hit save. In this case, I'm going to hit cancel because I've already done it. Next, I'm going to go up here. I'm going to type in Kindle Notes into my search bar. Since I already have it logged in and everything, it's going to bring me to my highlights. And you'll be able to see that there are a host of books down the side that you can do notes with. I'm going to click on this one. And what it has done here is it has says one highlight, one note. It's keeping track of the notes that I have in the book in chronological order. And so as I go through this, what I can then do is, if I wanted to print them out or use them in a paper or organize them in different things, I can actually then copy down the page, Control C, and then I can actually go into, let's just say, a Google Doc. I'll use this one just as an example right now, and I can hit in Control V, paste, and it pops up. Now, I might have to format it a little bit, put a space in the right location, but overall, now I've actually got my annotations. I've quoted the stuff. It's organized. I always know where it is. It never gets lost, and I can reproduce it whenever necessary. So there's a really quick way for you to kind of work through and think about how you can use Kindle to help you take notes, and it makes your annotations easier. What you'll find is if it's easier to take your annotations, you'll take more of them, and the more closely and actively you read, the better off you're going to be as a student. I hope this helps you out. It's a good tip. If you have access to it, give it a shot. Thank you.